Azad from Repair My Mobile. So this is our J250F model, and it is giving me problem, camera problem. While open problem, it's giving me self, and after some time giving me error. Is warning, giving warning is camera waveform not open. So now I want to fix this one error. So now I'm going to flash. Thank you. Guys, this is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. Hello guys, this is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So now I'm going to taking next step to flash our J2. So now I am open my flash tool OD, and I have already downloaded the flash file also. So now I am taking 3.114.4 OD version. Click yes to launch, and my file is here. I have already extracted. Click OK. Now select your file. First one is BL. So select your BL, that is your bootloader file, you know very well. Give the file location BL. Next we need to AP, and you know guys, I'm selecting AP, and AP it's your main file of any Samsung flash file, because the file size if exists 4 GB, so AP will exist 3 point something GB. Okay, you can check also the size of AP is 3.809341 KB, that is equal to 3.8 GB, and these are 29 MB, 78 MB, 143 MB, and 143 MB your file size. Now it's getting responding because now loading that tool AP file. So now it is taking a time. So you know very well how to connect your phone. You need to download mode and connect USB cable. You will get port here. Now port is connected, COM28, and click on start button. Now it's going to flash. Now, okay guys, now it is flashing another user data file, and now it's flashing is going on also. and user data file that is will come on our CSV file or home CSV. Thank you very much for the watching. And finally, my camera is working. And so now you can switch the camera. So it is our back camera. It's working also. So you can also repair your camera error. Thank you very much.